Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 5 simple steps to successful investing. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom, but it can also be overwhelming and risky. By following these 5 simple steps, you can start your investing journey on the right foot and achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Set your financial goals. The first step to successful investing is to set your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your investments? Do you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or start a business? Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can create an investment plan that aligns with them. Step 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Investing involves risk, but the level of risk varies depending on the type of investment you choose. Before you start investing, it's important to understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments, or do you prefer low-risk, low-reward investments? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you choose the right investments that match your risk profile. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the key to successful investing. It means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Step 4. Do your research. Before investing in any asset, it's important to do your research. Research the company or asset you're interested in, analyze its financial performance, and read up on any news or trends that may affect its future prospects. By doing your due diligence, you can make informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Investing is a dynamic process, and your investment strategy should evolve over time. It's important to monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust it as needed. If an asset underperforms, consider selling it and reinvesting the funds in a better performing asset. Likewise, if an asset overperforms, consider taking profits and rebalancing your portfolio. And there you have it, the 5 simple steps to successful investing. Remember, investing takes time, patience, and discipline, but it can pay off in the long run. By setting your financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, doing your research, and monitoring and adjusting your portfolio, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and advice.